Hey there, everybody. This is Mary Beth Angelelli here with the Millionaire Mailer. Welcome back for another Millionaire Mailer video today. Just started a brand new month, April of 2018, and things are going strong. I just wanted to do a little update video just to share with you that the Millionaire Mailer is still working, still going strong. This is mail order boom season. Tax season is well underway, and people, as they're getting their refunds back, are putting them to good use, and they are getting started in home-based businesses just like the Millionaire Mailer. Millionaire Mailer has been going strong now almost 7 years, and just wanted to take you into my direct sales page so that I can share with you what's here so you will know what to do and what direction to move in to get started with the Millionaire Mailer. So here we are, profitwithmarybeth.com/millionaire mailer. Okay, that's where you can go. My actual site is profitwithmarybeth.com, and I'll put it in the description below here. So you can go there and enter your information. You'll be taken right to this page right here. What you will want to do is click on this video right here, and you can see more continued results and proof that this program works. You'll see myself showcasing additional results and proof, followed by my amazing team members, folks. I've been part of the Millionaire Mailer now since June of 2015. It will be coming up on 3 years in just a few short months, and this program just continues to produce. It's absolutely an amazing program, folks, an amazing direct mail order flyer program that is super simple, and you can promote this online or offline. I do both, okay? And I can show you and share with you and train you on exactly what I do on a daily basis, providing you with my complete DMO, daily method of operations, which is very, very simple. Anyone can do this program, folks, and be successful. You just have to have a good work ethic, be willing to take action, of course, get started first and foremost, and then just simply be consistent. If you can advertise a simple flyer, put up a simple post, copy, paste post, you can absolutely profit. And my personal favorite has been utilizing Facebook. That free social media platform has worked amazingly well for me and many, many other Millionaire Mailer members. And it can work for you too. Best of all, it's free. Perhaps you may not have a budget to get started with your mailings, like this, folks. But if you do, then by all means, start mailing and be consistent. Stick with it. Be consistent. Stickability and consistency are the two essential elements to being successful with the Millionaire Mailer. And just start off with what you can afford to mail each and every week as you start to generate profits and receive these wonderful mailbox money surprises, folks, just like this. You too can reinvest back into your Millionaire Mailer business and just continue to scale up. Increase the size of your weekly mailings, and your profits will increase along with that. So with that being said, folks, we have 6 amazing levels. And we tell people the best recommendation is to get in where you fit in. We have a $25 level all the way up to a $1,000 level and everything in between. 6 flyers. And what you want to do is you want to review all the information here. You can actually get an amazing funnel right here through easyleadfunnels.com, just like mine. Very high response, very high converting, and it just absolutely works, folks. It's simple, but yet it's powerful, and it converts those prospects into paid signups so that you can start getting paid, just like this, folks. And I invite you to take a look at my results right here. This is just more continued proof that this program absolutely, positively works, and I am so excited to continue to share this with you. Okay, so you can go right here, folks. This is, more of my proof right here. You can zoom in on all of these, and you will see real proof, folks, real results These have my name on it, so, you know, I can't make this up, folks. This is as real as it gets. There's my name right here on these money orders, multiple money orders made payable to Mary Beth Angelelli. Okay, so I invite you to come in here, carefully review this, zoom in here. You'll see a money order for $250. People, folks, are coming in and jumping in at these higher level flyers, especially this time of year. Okay, so there you go, folks. Go ahead and go through this, and there's all my flyers right here, folks. All you have to do is select the level that you want, click on the red button. All of my flyers are here. They're all uploaded. The flyer will pop up. You'll want to read it carefully from top left to bottom right, paying particular attention to the "this is how it works" section, as well as the how to get started section. And it's really easy. It's a residual flyer. You'll see 4 names on the flyer. You'll complete the bottom portion with your information the way you wish it to appear on your own set of flyers. And then you will get payments, you know, money orders. You'll make them payable to the individuals listed on the flyer, and you will send them off in the mail, folks. When they're received, the admin will go ahead and confirm you and put together your marketing package and send it out to you. Okay, folks? And that marketing package is going to have everything in there that you need to be up and running and successful with the Millionaire Mailer. You'll get a mail order report. You'll get your flyers. You'll get instructions. You'll get lead resources, the best high response lead sources, where you can go to reorder more leads. And of course, you will get complimentary leads in that initial marketing package so that you can get your first set of flyers out the door and be off and hit the ground running with the Millionaire Mailer. But everything that you are going to need is going to be inside that marketing package, and you'll receive that after your payments are received. So getting on to some of the good stuff here, folks, there's all the levels from the 25 to the 1,000. We have a $50 level, a $100 level, a $250 level, and a $500 level. And we even have our $200 a day cash machine flyer. So again, you know, check it out, get in where you fit in, and you can always, always, always upgrade, okay? So just scrolling down here, I would like to invite you to our next Millionaire Mailer conference call, which we host every single Tuesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a dial-in number, there's the PIN number. If you missed the last call, no worries, okay? If you can't make the call tomorrow night, which is Tuesday, the 4th of April, 2018, then here you go, folks. We got you covered. Dial in and hit the PIN number, and you can listen to a replay. A very powerful replay, as they always are, 24/7. So no worries whatsoever. And there's all of my contact information. There I am. There's my number. Feel free to text or call me anytime if you are serious about wanting to get started with the Millionaire Mailer. 330-787-1795. There's my email, and this will take you directly to my Facebook. And if you'd like to get a funnel like mine, there's the button to make it happen. Get a site like this, folks. And this site has served me very, very well. I've been utilizing it now for almost 2 years, and it really does a fabulous job at taking my prospects through this, providing everybody with the important, pertinent information about the Millionaire Mailer so that you can make that all-important buying decision and get started at the level that is best fitting for you. Okay, so it's all here. Definitely come in here, profitwithmarybeth.com, watch this video, scroll on down, review the information, and here is how you get started, folks. It's really, really easy. And just, you know, more continued proof. Just another typical day. A wonderful mailbox money surprise day, folks. You know, more continued proof. And I'll just show you what came in my mailbox today. This was a certified mail here, made payable to me. And inside we have a Millionaire Mailer 3, which is our wonderful $100 Millionaire Mailer level. There is proof of payment right here. Let's see, there you go. Zoom in here, money order for 100, and there's the flyer that accompanied that. And I would like to welcome Lisa to my Millionaire Mailer team. Thank you very much. Okay, so we will put that one aside, and we'll just move right along here. Now, each and every day is a little bit different, folks, but usually on most days there are multiple enrollments in my mailbox, folks. That's the excitement of having a wonderful, profitable mail order business like the Millionaire Mailer, okay? There's another proof of payment for the Millionaire Mailer. There we go, right here. If I can zoom in there. And I would like to welcome Andrew to my Millionaire Mailer team. There is the flyer and the proof of payment. And we have two more right here. We have a Millionaire Mailer 2 enrollment, and this one came from, let's see, Kevin. So thank you very much, Kevin, and welcome to my Millionaire Mailer team. Proof of payment for the Millionaire Mailer 2 flyer, okay? So as you can see, people join at all levels, and it's always an exciting day, folks, with the Millionaire Mailer. We have another proof of payment right here. There's a money order right here, just a little note that came in with this. They didn't send a flyer, but they did send a payment, and there is the proof right here, folks. So as you can see, folks, another wonderful day. Had 4 new members I would like to welcome to the team, and this one, the lead came from Doug. So thank you very much. And welcome aboard, everybody, to the Millionaire Mailer. You're going to absolutely love this business. It's been an amazing, amazing journey since I got started with the Millionaire Mailer back in June of 2015, to be exact. So this program absolutely works. You know, a lot of people will ask me, they'll call me, they'll say, I received a flyer in the mail, Mary Beth. Does this program works? Well, folks, here is, you know, just more continued proof in my hand right here. 4 new members sent off their payments, and here is more continued proof right here, some amazing results, and here's a wonderful, exciting video that I invite you to take a look at. So with that being said, folks, my name is Mary Beth Angelelli. In advance, I would love to welcome you to my Millionaire Mailer team, and you can just go right down here, carefully review everything to get started. There's all the flyers right there, and folks, I'd like to welcome you to the call and invite you to the call tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single Tuesday. There's the number, 641-715-3865, and you'll just dial in and you will enter this PIN number, 280612#. If you're not able to make it, no worries, folks. There is the replay number and the PIN number to access the call 24/7. So hopefully I've inspired you with some additional information and more continued proof, folks, that this is an amazing program that can absolutely help you and your family to get ahead, folks, and break free and help to set you free financially like it did for me when I was first introduced back in 2015, the summer of 2015. I absolutely love the Millionaire Mailer. I know you will too. It's a simple program, folks. It is affordable, it is scalable, it is duplicatable, and anyone that puts their mind to it, has a good work ethic, sticks with it, remains consistent, can absolutely achieve greatness, because great things are happening, folks. My name is Mary Beth Angelelli. You take care. I'll see you soon on another video. If you like, you know, my channel, the content, want to find out more things that are going on with the Millionaire Mailer, I, of course, will be making more videos. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you soon on another Millionaire Mailer video. Take care. Have a wonderful week, and let's get you started. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.